The best way to draw a perfect circle on a piece of paper is to use a compass. You insert the pencil into the holder and make sure that the tip of the pencil is pretty much in line with the needle point before tightening the nut. You then press the needle into the paper and carefully rotate the pencil around. This produces a circle. The center of the circle is marked by the needle point. Make sure that the needle point doesn't skip across the paper as you rotate the compass. It's very accurate. If you want, you can also keep the compass in the same position and turn the paper. Lots of people find this is a little easier. Either way works beautifully. These two circles are identical in size because I didn't adjust the compass at all after I drew the first circle. To draw a circle of a given radius, you'll need a ruler. If you position the needle point and the pencil lead 4 centimeters apart, you'll get a circle of radius 4 centimeters and a diameter of 8 centimeters. Remember, the radius of the circle is the distance from its center to the circle's edge, and the diameter of a circle is the distance all the way across the circle through the center. The diameter of a circle is always double the circle's radius. Thanks for watching.